So we just landed on the island that Slug-A-Bug has just adopted. We've come out today to do a survey and see the condition of the island. We're going to head off down the path here where Chrissy, who works for Slug-A-Bug, has handed out some bags to be filled up with some of the trash that we see. And we're just going to kind of survey and see how much has been left behind or washed up on the shore. Slug-A-Bug is really excited to be able to adopt this island. We're all doing our part. We all want to be part of the solution, and we all share the same environment. So it's really important to us as a company and for our employees to be part of the solution. So anywhere you look on some of these islands, they just haven't been taken care of. People leave trash behind. Sometimes it might be a storm that washes trash that fell overboard in a boat or something like that and ends up on the islands. We all know the importance of keeping these areas clean because it's part of the ecosystem of the wildlife. And we have foam over there. We've got more broken foam, cans up in here. You know, we really do need to start taking care of these things because we want these to last for generations to come. And we notice that these are always empty. Those of you wondering which island that we're actually sponsoring is BC 47. It's just dangerous. Just dangerous. You got 5- 6-year-old kids running around, rusty piece of metal like that just sticking out. There's no reason. Most people that come out here usually have a good sized boat. There's no reason why you can't take that back with you. Again, it's just a danger. It's a hazard. So today we just came out for a quick survey to see what kind of shape the island is in that Slug-A-Bug and its employees have adopted. Today we had 57 pounds of trash in just a short trip. We're going to be coming out every quarter to do a major cleanup to help keep this island in its pristine condition. This is one way that Slug-A-Bug and its employees can be part of the solution.